Welcome to Story Talk FM. What would you do if you could travel to the year 2050? Would robots do your job? Would people live on Mars? Would artificial intelligence become your best friend? Today, Alex and Emma are about to discover the answers. After finding a mysterious time machine, they travel into the future and experience a world filled with incredible technology, self-driving vehicles, AI assistants, and even cities on Mars. Join them on this exciting adventure and improve your English listening, vocabulary, and speaking skills through a fun and natural conversation. Are you ready to travel to the future? Then let's step inside the time machine and begin our journey to 2050.
Hey Emma, have you ever thought about traveling through time?
All the time. Imagine seeing the future with your own eyes.
Well, what if I told you I found a real time machine?
Wait, what? A real time machine?
Yes, it's right behind this door.
Alex, you're joking.
I'm not. Come and see.
Wow, it looks like something from a science fiction movie.
That's because it is based on advanced technology.
Does it actually work?
There is only one way to find out.
Are you serious?
Absolutely. Let's travel to the year 2050.
This is crazy, but exciting.
Ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1.
Everything is spinning.
Hold on.
What happened?
Open your eyes.
Oh my goodness.
We made it.
Is this really 2050?
According to the machine, yes.
The city looks incredible.
Look at those buildings.
They're covered with plants.
It seems cities are much greener now.
And look at the sky.
I don't see many airplanes.
That's because people are using flying taxis.
Wow, there goes one now!
This feels like a dream.
Let's explore.
Alex, look at that delivery robot.
It is carrying groceries.
There are robots everywhere.
Artificial intelligence has become part of daily life.
Do people still work?
Good question.
Let's ask someone.
Excuse me, sir.
Hello.
We are visitors.
Welcome.
Can we ask a question?
Of course.
Alex, what kinds of jobs do people have in 2050?
Many traditional jobs have changed.
What do you mean?
Robots and AI handle repetitive tasks.
So what do humans do?
Humans focus on creativity, leadership, and problem solving.
Interesting.
AI can process information quickly, but humans still create ideas.
Are teachers still needed?
Yes,
Really?
absolutely. AI helps students learn, but teachers guide and inspire them. What about doctors? Doctors work alongside AI systems.
How does that help?
AI can detect diseases earlier and more accurately. That sounds amazing. Healthcare is much better than it was in 2025.
I wish we had that today.
You will soon.
Alex, Emma, look at that giant screen.
It says Mars shuttle departure.
Mars?
Are people living on Mars?
Let's find out.
Excuse me, miss. Hello? Are there really people living on Mars?
Yes, more than 2 million people.
2 million?
Mars has several large cities now.
That's unbelievable.
Many people work there as scientists, engineers, and researchers.
How long does it take to travel to Mars?
Only a few weeks using advanced spacecraft.
That's much faster than before.
Technology has improved dramatically.
Would you like to live on Mars?
Maybe for a short time.
I think I'd miss Earth.
Me too. Most people do.
Thank you for talking with us.
You're welcome. Alex, Emma, look at those houses.
Emma, they look beautiful.
And very different.
I don't see any keys.
Maybe they don't use keys anymore.
Let's ask someone.
Excuse me, sir.
Hello. How do you enter your house? The house recognizes my face.
Facial recognition?
Yes, it is safe and convenient. What happens if someone tries to enter without permission? The AI security system immediately alerts the authorities.
That's impressive.
It also monitors energy use and manages household tasks.
So your house is intelligent?
Very intelligent.
Does it cook meals too?
Sometimes.
Wow,
It can suggest healthy meals based on my medical data.
that's amazing.
Alex, I think technology is everywhere.
You're right.
Look at those children.
They seem happy.
Let's see what school is like in 2050.
Good idea.
Welcome to Future Learning Center. Hello.
How do students learn here?
Teacher, every student has an AI learning assistant.
Emma, what does it do? It creates personalized lessons.
Alex, personalized?
Yes, every student learns differently.
Emma, that sounds much better.
Students can also experience history through virtual reality.
Really?
Yes,
Can they visit ancient Rome?
absolutely.
That's incredible.
Learning is much more interactive now.
Emma, I wish school was like this when I was younger.
Many people say that.
Alex, look over there.
Emma, is that a robot?
Yes.
It looks almost human. Good afternoon.
It talks.
Of course.
Alex, what is your job?
I assist humans in daily activities.
Are people afraid of AI?
Some were in the past.
And now?
Most people see AI as a helpful partner.
So humans and AI work together?
Exactly.
That's good to hear.
Cooperation creates better results than competition.
That's a valuable lesson.
Thank you.
Alex, look at the transportation system.
There are no traffic jams.
How is that possible?
Maybe all vehicles are controlled by AI.
Let's ask.
Hello.
How do people travel in 2050?
Most vehicles are autonomous.
Meaning self-driving?
Correct.
Are accidents common?
Very rare.
That's wonderful.
AI systems communicate with each other constantly.
So traffic flows smoothly.
Exactly.
The future seems very efficient.
Efficiency is one of our priorities.
Emma, we've learned so much.
Yes.
Better healthcare,
Smarter education.
AI assistance,
Life on Mars.
self-driving transportation.
The future is exciting.
But I wonder,
What?
are people happier?
That's a good question.
Let's ask one final person.
Happiness still depends on people.
Not technology?
Technology helps.
But
Relationships, kindness, and purpose are still the most important things.
that's true.
The future changed many things.
But not everything.
Exactly.
Emma?
Alex, what happened?
The machine says it's time to return.
Already?
Yes.
Let's go home.
Ready?
Ready.
We made it back.
We're back.
That was unbelievable.
What was your favorite part?
Seeing life on Mars.
Mine was learning how humans work with AI.
Do you think the future will really be like that?
Maybe.
Maybe not.
But one thing is certain.
What's that?
The future depends on what we do today.
I like that.
Me too.
Thanks for traveling with me.
Thanks for joining me.
And thanks to everyone listening.
Keep learning English.
Keep dreaming big. See you in the next episode.
And that's the end of our journey to the year 2050. What was your favorite part of the future? Was it the AI assistants, the smart cities, or the idea of living on Mars? Tell us in the comments below. And here's a question for you. If you could travel to the future, what would you want to see first? We'd love to read your answers. If you enjoyed the story and learned something new, please give this video a like and share it with a friend who is learning English. And don't forget to subscribe to Story Talk FM for more exciting English stories, conversations, and listening practice designed to help you improve your English naturally. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new episode. Thank you for listening. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep believing in your future. And we'll see you in the next story. Bye for now.